Ever pondered how the political landscape of America has transformed in the past 4 years? Well, buckle up and get ready for a fascinating journey through the twists and turns of American politics in 2024. The year started off with a bang as the newly inaugurated president took office. The president, a beacon of change, came into power with a landslide victory, promising to bridge the deep-seated political divide that had been brewing for years. It was a call for unity that echoed across the nation. As the spring blossoms bloomed, so did a wave of new policies. One of the most significant was the introduction of the Universal Basic Income Bill. This policy aimed at providing a fixed income to every American citizen, irrespective of their employment status. A bold move, it stirred up quite the debate, but ultimately led to a new era of financial security for millions of citizens. Summer brought with it the heat of the election season. The midterms were a battleground of ideas, with candidates from all walks of life vying for a place in the political arena. A significant shift was noticed in public opinion, with a strong drive towards progressive ideologies and policies. The results? An unprecedented number of seats were clinched by independent candidates, shaking up the traditional two-party system. As the leaves began to fall in autumn, so did some outdated policies. The repeal of the controversial Internet Freedom Act marked a major victory for digital rights advocates. The act, which had previously allowed service providers to control what consumers could see and do online, was replaced by a more robust legislation protecting net neutrality. In the realm of technology, social media continued to play a pivotal role in political discourse. Algorithms, artificial intelligence, and big data were the new buzzwords, shaping how political campaigns were run and how politicians connected with their constituents. The digital divide, however, remained a pressing issue, with efforts being made to ensure equal access to information for all. As the year drew to a close, it was apparent that the winds of change had swept through the political landscape. A new generation of politicians had emerged, bringing with them fresh perspectives and innovative solutions to age-old problems. So, what have we gleaned from this journey through 2024? The year was marked by significant policy changes, shifts in public opinion, and a growing influence of technology in politics. The introduction of the Universal Basic Income, the repeal of the Internet Freedom Act, and the rise of independent candidates in the midterms were key highlights. The role of social media and technology in shaping political discourse was underscored, though the digital divide remained a challenge. In the grand tapestry of American politics, 2024 will be remembered as a year of change, a year of progress, and a year that set the stage for a new chapter in the nation's political narrative. As we move forward, one thing is certain: the journey of American politics is far from over. It continues to evolve, to challenge, and to inspire. And that, dear friends, is the beauty of democracy. Like, subscribe, and add your comments.